Hello, new pirates, and welcome to Southwestern University. Here on campus, Information Services provides the technical resources you'll rely on during your college career. This video will show you how to get started using them. We'll show you how to sign into computers, set up your dorm devices, and how to use your pirate card, printers, and the SU Google Apps. Let's get started.
After you were accepted to Southwestern, you got an SU EID and password. Your SU EID allows you access to all of the computing resources Southwestern has to offer. To use a campus computer, you'll use your SU EID and password to sign in. Once you're signed in, you can open up a web browser and access the My Southwestern portal. To find it, click on the My Southwestern link on the homepage, or navigate to my.southwestern.edu. Once you're there, click the Sign In button at the top right-hand corner. This will take you to the central authentication page, where you'll punch in your SU EID and password and click Log In. Once you're logged in, you can access your email, campus notices, Moodle, and WebAdvisor on the sidebar on the left. Now let's talk about the password for your Southwestern account. Passwords keep your account secure, so it's important to have a strong one to protect your data.
To change your password, navigate to southwestern.edu/password. Once you're there, log in with your SU EID and current password. Click on Change Password and follow the guidelines to create a new password, or click Auto-Generate New Password.
We understand that college is a stressful time, and it's easy to forget your password. Fortunately, Southwestern has ways to recover it if you forget. Here's how.
From the password menu, click on Setup Password Responses. Here, you can select 4 questions to write your own particular answers to. Once you have all of your questions and answers set, click Save Responses and confirm your choices. If you should ever forget your password, you can click the link on the central login page next to Forgot/Expired Password and answer the questions to recover it.
Finally, it's very important to keep your digital identity safe and be aware of phishing. Phishing with a PH.
Phishing is when someone sends you an email asking for personal information, such as passwords or credit cards, often for malicious purposes. It's important to remember that phishing scams can look perfectly innocent or trustworthy, so you need to be careful that you don't fall for one. Please keep in mind that Southwestern will never ask you to submit your password via email. If you receive a suspicious email asking for personal information, do not respond or provide any information. That'll stop those fishers in their tracks.
Now let's talk about getting your personal devices connected to the campus Wi-Fi. To connect to the campus Wi-Fi, open up your available networks and join the Parrot network. Once you're connected, open up your web browser. You'll be redirected to the MyResNet website, where you'll punch in your SU EID and password. Once your account is set up, you may need to restart your computer before you can start surfing the web. Great! Now that you've got your computer set up, let's talk about connecting your other devices like your phone, your tablet, your Fitbit, your game console, and get them connected as well. To add a device to your account, sign into MyResNet and under Connected Devices, click Add Devices. This will prompt you to choose the type of device to add, as well as provide the hardware, or MAC address, of each device you add. If you don't know how to find this MAC address, click Where do I find this to learn how. Now, if you're like me, you won't have much time to watch TV. But if you do have a TV and you want to watch shows in your dorm, you'll have to do a few things to get it set up. First, you'll need to make certain your TV has the correct type of tuner. You'll need a TV with a QAM 256 tuner. Most newer TVs have these built in, but you can check your owner's manual to find out for sure. If your TV doesn't have a QAM tuner, you can buy an external one like this and attach it to your TV. Once your TV is all hooked up in your room, run a channel scan to discover the channels that Southwestern has to offer. Now that you've got all your devices set up inside your dorm, you'll need to be able to get back in case you get locked out. To do that, you'll need one of these, a pirate card. Your pirate card has a few different functions. First, it's your official Southwestern ID and proof of student status. Second, as you saw earlier, it's your access card. Your pirate card lets you into your dorm, the gym, and the library, and you'll need it if you want to be able to get in after hours. And the final place you can use your pirate card is here, at the galley, where we get food. Right, Miss Ella? Your meal plan lets you swipe your card to sit down and eat, or you can spend Pirate Bucks at vending machines or at the Cove. You can also spend Pirate Bucks at various places around town, and some will even have student discounts. Bottom line, your Pirate Card is important, and as an incentive not to lose it, replacement cards cost $20. Don't worry though. If your card just has a problem with it, it can be fixed or reprinted for free.
Now, whether you're working on a term paper or just a simple worksheet, assignments often need to be printed to be turned in and graded. All students are given $30 of print credit to print whatever you need. As far as where to do so, there are printers here in the library, in Mood Bridwell Hall, the Olin Building, the Prothero Center, and the Sharon Lord Caskey Center. If you're using a lab machine like this, you can print the same as you would anywhere else, with one extra step.
To print this document, simply click on File and Print. You'll get to pick which printer to use, specify your page size, and whether or not you want a double-sided print. Keep in mind that printing double-sided costs less per page as you use less paper overall. Once your document is ready, click Print. Now your print job has been sent to the print server. To release it and send it to the printer, open your web browser and navigate to print.southwestern.edu. Log in with your SUEID and password and click on Jobs Pending Release. This will display all of the jobs you have queued on your account. You can click the Release All button to send everything to the printer, or click the Print option by each job to release them one at a time. Once they've printed, you can pick up your job at the printer that you've sent them to.
So that's how you print from a lab machine. Now, if you want to print from your own laptop, it's a little different.
If you have a file ready to print, start by navigating to print.southwestern.edu and logging in. Then, click on Web Print. From here, you'll choose which printer you'll send the job to, how many copies you'll be printing, and then select the file from your computer and upload it to the server. Once the file is uploaded, the process is much the same. Click Jobs Pending Release to see the job and send it to the printer. Speaking of Chrome OS, Southwestern is a Google campus, which means that we primarily use Google Apps for education. The three most important apps to know about are Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive. All of these apps can run in a web browser, which means that they are accessible on any device from anywhere with an internet connection. Google Chrome is Southwestern's recommended web browser, as Google Apps has been tailored in Chrome to work best. To get started using Google Apps, you can navigate to the My Southwestern portal, sign in, and click on the Gmail icon on the left-hand side. If you want to open Gmail more quickly, you can navigate to mail.southwestern.edu instead and sign in. Here in Gmail, you can read all the email you've been sent. It's important to check your email every day, as this is the primary way your professors will be contacting you. To access the other Google apps, click the little 9 squares button next to your name, and click the app you need. Let's check out Calendar. Google Calendar lets you create, manage, and share events. You can plug in your schedule for the semester and set it to repeat every week. You can see if your friends are available by looking up their calendar. You can set up recurring study sessions with classmates and invite them to join you, and you can do so much more with Calendar. Now let's take a look at Drive. Google Drive lets you create and store files. You can do word processing in Google Docs, spreadsheets in Google Sheets, presentations with Google Slides, and more. You can share your files with your classmates, professors, or friends, and allow them to help collaborate or simply let them see what you're doing. You can also use it to store files that aren't Google files, and the best part is, you don't have to worry about running out of space because you have unlimited storage on your account.
So, to sum up, you should now know everything about SUEIDs, Wi-Fi and TV, pirate cards, printing, and Google Apps. But what do you do if you need help with one of these things? That's easy. You contact the info desk.
That's right. The info desk is your go-to place for technical assistance, checking out books, and pirate card and printing troubles. You can visit us in person in the Smith Library Center. Call us at 512-819-7333, or submit a ticket via our webpage at infodesk.southwestern.edu.
And that's everything. Thanks for watching and welcome aboard, new pirates. We're sure you'll have a great time here. Just ask this guy.
I'm having a ball. Welcome to Southwestern.